Ever wondered if vegan diet could fuel your muscle building dreams just as well as meat? In the world of fitness and bodybuilding, protein stands as the cornerstone of muscle development and recovery. It is the macronutrient that fuels growth, repairs damaged tissues, and aids in achieving those sought after gains. Traditionally, the spotlight was on animal based proteins such as eggs, meat, seafood, whey, and casein. However, with the surge of plant based diets, vegan proteins are now stealing the show, highlighting their remarkable potential. Vegan proteins are popular because of their unique composition and versatility. It's true that animal proteins pack a punch with their essential amino acids, but at the same time, plant based sources like soy, quinoa, chia, hemp seeds, pea proteins, and lentils also shine bright with their commendable amino acid profile, crucial for muscle repair and growth. These plant based foods offer a wealth of benefits beyond just protein content. They contain a good amount of fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, all of which contribute to overall health and well being. Soy, often hailed as a complete protein, stands out with all 9 essential amino acids, making it a powerhouse for muscle building. Quinoa, a pseudo grain, is not only packed with protein but also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Chia seeds and hemp seeds, rich in omega 3 fatty acids, provide an excellent protein boost while supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. Pea proteins derived from yellow peas are easily digestible, making them a popular choice for vegans and those with sensitive stomachs. Lentils, a staple in plant based diets, offer a healthy dose of protein along with fiber, iron, and folate, promoting muscle recovery and vitality. If you're finding value in our journey to healthier living, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Here at Research Your Food, we believe in the transformative power of nutrition, from ensuring a healthy start for mothers and children to unlocking the full potential of athletes worldwide. Join us in this journey towards a healthier future for all. Now let's get back to the video. One common concern regarding vegan proteins is their ability to provide all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth. While it's true that some plant-based sources might fall short on certain amino acids, the magic lies in combining different proteins like legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. This strategy ensures a well-rounded amino acid intake, effectively supporting muscle repair and development. The burning question, is muscle building feasible on a vegan diet? The answer is a resounding yes. Some studies highlight challenges in meeting protein needs, but with careful planning and strategic selection of nutrient-dense plant foods, individuals can not only meet but exceed their protein requirements. Vegan athletes across the globe proving the power of plant-based diets in achieving impressive physiques and peak performance. In conclusion, the dawn of vegan proteins in muscle building arena has arrived. They offer both sustainable and ethical alternatives to animal-based proteins. With a wide variety of plant-based proteins rich in essential nutrients, embracing veganism empowers us to sculpt a strong, resilient, and thriving body. It proves that plants can indeed be powerful allies in our fitness journeys. Thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.